Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you just clicked on this video, please do me a favor by clicking on the thumbs up, okay? Thumbs up this video, okay, so that other people can see this video. Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to measure with this analog scale. So do you have this analog scale and you have not been using it, maybe because you find it difficult to use this particular scale? Now you have to go get that scale. I will teach you proper way to use this scale. So guys, you have to pay attention. Now look under here. Can you see this dot that I'm holding? The first thing you will do is to scroll that dot so that the red line will come to the zero, okay? After doing this, then the next thing you will do is to get your measuring bowl, place it on the scale. If you notice, the line just changed because the scale has weighed the weight of the bowel on top. Now you will have to go back and turn the line, let it be under zero before you start taking measurement of whatever you are measuring, because now bowel is under the scale and the scale has taken the weight of that bowel. So you have to bring it back to this number here, bring it back to zero. You can see what I'm doing, okay? Bring it under that zero. Now this is the way you count it. After that zero, there is a shorter line that comes. That line, you count that line as 50. Then you will go over to the longer line that is in the middle of the smaller line. You will count it as 100 until you get to this particular point that I'm pointing. You count 100, 200, 300, 400 until you get to that particular line there. Then you know that you've gotten to 500 grams, okay? This particular scale can weigh about 20 kg depending on what you want to weigh with this scale, okay? Now look at that place. Look at this. This place is exactly where 500 grams is. Then you will start from that line to count again. There's a shorter line in between. You count as 50, then you count the next one as 100 until you get to 1 kg, okay? Once you get to that place there is 1, it means you've gotten to 1 kg depending on what you are measuring. You can see that one. This is 1 kg, okay? Then you have to count again. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 until you get to this particular one. This is 1.5, okay? Then you will start counting again. 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 until you get to 2 kg. You can see 2 kg, okay? You will continue the counting like this until you get to the number you are looking for. This analog scale can weigh about 20 kg depending on what you want to weigh on the scale. But remember, before you start weighing anything on the scale, you have to roll this thing. Look at that place. That place I'm touching. You have to roll it. Let this red line get to zero before you place your bowel or your measuring scale on the or your measuring bowl on the measuring scale, okay? Once you put your measuring bowl on the scale, go back to that place and switch the line. Let it be under zero before you start measuring whatever you want to measure, okay? Please, if you don't understand or maybe you have a question, you can leave the question in the comment section and I will answer it, okay? So right now we are going to weigh flour on top of this scale now. So I'm going to be weighing 500 grams of flour, okay? So keep watching until it gets to 500 grams. Just keep following the video until it gets to 500 grams and we are going to stop, okay? So if you have this scale and you've not been using it, please bring it out and watch this video. Try making use of it and you will see it is very simple to work with, okay? So here we have 500 grams of flour. You see what I just did? First thing you will do, turn on the line, let the line be under zero, place your measuring bowl on the scale, go back to that place, let the line be under zero before you start weighing whatever ingredients you want to weigh. Make sure you're not using bowl that is heavy. Remember, this measuring scale comes with a measuring bowl, so make sure that whatever you're keeping on top of this scale is the measuring bowl that comes with this scale. Don't carry heavy bowl on this scale, because it's not going to give you accurate measurement of whatever you want to measure. Okay, measurement in baking, as I always say in my videos, cannot be overemphasized. There is no way you will bake without measuring what you want to bake. There is no way you will do something without taking measurement. For you to get accurate measurement, you have to measure it very well. Okay, when you don't take measurement, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you. Please don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye.